बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप व्यूअर्स? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। हमारी आज की वीडियो है तारिक अजीज़ के हवाले से। Tariq Aziz is born on 28 April 1936 and dead on 17 June 2020. Was a Pakistani television host, poet, film actor and politician. Known for PTV quiz show Neelam Ghar, first aired in 1974, later renamed The Tariq Aziz Show and later still as Buzz with Tariq Aziz. He was also known for his iconic line, Dekhti aankhon, sunte kaano aapko Tariq Aziz ka salam pahunche, and his passionate, peculiar style of uttering the patriotic slogan, Pakistan Zindabad. Born 28 April 1936, Jalandhar, Punjab, British India. Died 17 June 2020, Lahore, Punjab, Pakistan. Nationality Pakistani. Occupation television presenter, film actor. Years active 1961 to 2020. Known for Neelam Ghar, Tariq Aziz Show, Buzz Mein Tariq Aziz. Office member of National Assembly of Pakistan 1997 to 1999. Spouse Hajra Tariq Aziz. Awards Bride of Performance 1992. He was the first face to appear on television in Pakistan. He had also been a member of National Assembly of Pakistan between 1997 and 1999. Early life. Tariq Aziz was born in 1936 in Jalandhar, Punjab province. His father, Mia Abdul Aziz, was lawyer, journalist and editor responsible for Fortnightly magazine from Sahiwal. While being politically attached, the Majlis-e-Ahrar Islam. Later, Mia Abdul Aziz renamed him Mia Abdul Aziz Pakistani when Chaudhry Rahmat Ali coined the term Pakistan, and he would eventually lose his government job because of his anti-colonial activities. Tariq Aziz received his early education in Jalandhar and in 1947 migrated to the then Montgomery district city, now Sahiwal, Pakistan. He graduated from Government College Sahiwal. Later they shifted to Ahmedabad, and where his father died and was buried. Career. Radio. Aziz moved to Lahore to start his career at Radio Pakistan 1961. Television. When Pakistan Television started its initial broadcast in November 1964 from Lahore, Aziz was the first person to be seen on it and went on to become first male PTV announcer. He was one of the first TV hosts to gain commercial success by using the platform of his quiz show Neelam Ghar, Tariq Aziz Show ya Buzz Mein Tariq Aziz. He interviewed many notable intellectuals, sports persons and celebrities on his show. Aziz appeared on several local television programs and morning shows. He also organized telethons for charity purpose. After being in politics in the 1990 and early 2000, he returned to the entertainment industry. By his time, his career in the entertainment industry could not reach the heights of the 1960, 1970 and 1980 due to the plenty of competition by the newly launched private TV channel in Pakistan after 2002. He appeared as guest and answered all the questions on the game show Neelam Ghar in Pakistan, becoming the first man to do this. He did this without using any help provided to the participants. He then donated all the prizes that he received to an organization which works for the welfare of people. Film. Tariq Aziz, along with the film actor Wahid Murad and film actress Zeba, starred in Pakistan film Insaniyat 1967. Aziz also starred in other Pakistani films Haar Gaya Insan and then later in Kasam Us Waqt Ki 1969. He also acted in a number of Pakistani films in the late 1960 and 1970 in side roles. One of his movies was Sal Gira 1969, which was a highly successful musical movie and won 2 Nigar Awards for that year. Politics. Aziz was active in student politics during his college era and joined Zulfikar Ali Bhutto Pakistan People Party in 1970. At that time, Aziz was called a firebrand socialist, known for charging up the crowd with revolutionary slogans at Bhutto's rallies. However, later he parted ways with that party and went back to showbiz. In 1996, Aziz joined Pakistan Muslim League and was elected as a member of Pakistan National Assembly from Lahore. He was one of the political activists who were charged with attacking the Supreme Court of Pakistan building in 1997. During Pervez Musharraf's presidency, he joined his political party Pakistan Muslim League. However, he could not attain any status of note in that party and was sidelined. Death. He died on 17 June 2020 in Lahore, aged 84. He was admitted to private hospital on the night of 16 June 2020 after feeling ill. He was laid to rest at the Garden Block Garden Town Graveyard in Lahore, Pakistan, beside his mother's grave. Awards and recognition. Pride of Performance Award by the President of Pakistan in 1992 for his services to the nation. At 9th PTV Awards, he won Best Host Award in 1998. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको आज की हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। मजीद वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलें। दुआओं में याद रखें। आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।